everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you in this really quick video how to sew on paper. I will be using this feather from the Kiwi Club kit. I believe this was the May kit. And as you can see, I'm cutting it out of my paper, and then I will also be cutting the same shape out of vellum. So as I cut this, I'm just going to mention that I don't really do anything special. I use a thicker needle, so it's a little thicker than what you would use for clothing, and I purchased it in I think there's like 50 of them, a set of 50, and it's like an assorted set. So I'm not really sure what the right terminology is for the needle, but you know, anything that would work, any needle would work. I like the thicker one because it's easier for me to grip in my hand, and it usually has a larger hole to thread the needle, the thread through. For this particular one, I am using a gold metallic thread, and I guess this would be for like embroidery. It's like an embroidery floss, but it's not as thick as embroidery floss. I'm not really sure what trying to see if there's a name. It comes like a regular bobbin of thread, and it is by DMC. So once I have everything cut out, I am going to just lightly adhere the two feathers together so that they don't move. Of course, I'm going to erase my pencil marks because on the vellum you can't see it. I do ink my edges, and I'm using a gold metallic. I believe that's Cat Eyes by... Let's see if I can find it real quick. Oh, right in front of me. It's by Dewdrop, and it's called Brilliant, and it's a Galaxy Gold. So as you can see, there's a real small dot of glue. There is my thread, and I'm just searching for my needle, which is always lost. And a little tip, if the hole is too small, you can always add a little tape to the one end and cut it kind of like in a triangle or like a pie slice, but really thin, and it'll be easier to thread. I don't know. I hope that helps. So once I've got my needle going, I just use a pokey tool, and I just poke my holes. And I eyeball, you can measure, but I just eyeball how far apart I want to use them. And I just use my mouse pad, and I'm just doing I guess that's a chain stitch. And I do struggle a little because my thread gets caught on the little edges of the feather, and I just go back and forth. Sorry about that. I'm getting a flash weather advisory on my phone, which is not very usual for our neck of the woods, so I'm a little freaked out. But yeah, so you just go back and forth, and once I get to the end, I make a knot, and then I use my little adhesive remover to remove the glue. Make sure you take a look on Friday. I am so excited about this next layout, which I'll be using this feather as well as other ones, and it will be posted on Friday on my channel. Thanks for watching.